Hi class. We're looking at Google Classroom and how to turn in assignments. First of all, I want you to look under classwork. Classwork. Stream is good to see if there are any new announcements from me, but classwork is where your work will be organized. And I organize by week. And within the week, I'll try to put the day that assignment is to be done. So once I open an assignment, you'll see that there's the Google form, but there's this very important blue box that says Mark as Done. After I've done my work in my Google form, I need to go back to this page so I can mark as done, which is how you turn your work in on Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm finishing my spelling work. I submit, click Submit on the Google form. Oh, it's telling me I need to do something. Put in my name. Okay, click Submit on the Google form. View my score, because that will tell me how I did. Uh-oh, I need to practice. Okay, now that I have my score, I'm going to click Done. And I can mark as done to turn in my work. Once I've marked it as done, a little window will pop up saying Mark as done. And if I click that window, that button, I will get a big check mark, which means my assignment has been checked off and it has been turned in. Now, if I want to work on that assignment again, I can open the assignment or view the assignment and unsubmit. Unsubmitting will allow me to work on the assignment again. So here I am again opening another assignment, which is another Google form. I will do the work in the assignment, and then I will submit my work. So once I've submitted my form, I will view my score so I can review my work. And once I've reviewed my work, I will mark it as done. And I'll go back into Google Classroom so that I can turn my work in and mark my work as done. Yes, I want to mark it as done. So again, mark as done, get the big check mark, and then go back to your classwork. Now I want to show you, I'd like to show you that once you are in your classwork page and you see week 6 or whatever week in the assignments, there's a little icon up here. If you've chosen a picture for yourself, it might show your Google picture, but if not, it looks like just a little picture of a person. If you click on that, that will open up for you a view of all of your assignments, and you'll be able to see which ones have been turned in and which ones are missing. Let's try that. Okay, so I clicked on it, and now I'm seeing that I have turned in assignments and I have missing assignments. So I can open up any missing assignments, see if I've done the work, and just forgot to turn it in. Mark as done. Okay, so now it's marked as done. I hope that this little video will help you learn how to turn your work in on Google Classroom.